What's poppin'? My name is Asia, also known as Asia May, and I'm a beauty, natural hair, and lifestyle creator based in Dallas, Texas. And now I'm a semi-finalist for the Sally Crew Textured Hair category. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 8 tips to achieve salon quality looks at home. Let's hop into it. So first, let's talk technique. A lot of people think that it's all about the products. And while products are important, if you don't know how to work that product in, girl, it doesn't even matter. What I highly recommend is utilizing smoothing techniques.
They are finger gestures utilized to remove shed hair, smooth your cuticles, define your curls, and remove tangles. My mostly used techniques are clamping, raking, finger detangling with my thumb and pointer finger, and also coiling. These techniques are perfect for adding that additional definition that you need in any style.
Utilize smoothing techniques from wash to finish, okay? This will help to allow your hair to accept the products that you're putting in and make it very easy for your hair to receive whatever shape, whatever style that you're trying to do.
Now let's talk about brushing. When brushing your hair, you want to go in with finger detangling first to remove all of them little tangles, and then go in with your brush vertically. This is going to get any tangles that you weren't able to get with your fingers, and then you can turn the brush horizontally to add in that definition. This will reduce your breakage significantly and allow you to have your curls popping. Now on to tip number 3.
Make sure you get regular trims. Healthy ends give you less frizz because your hair will not snag at the end. Always cut the single strand knots because, girl, that's just gonna cause breakage. Ends cannot bounce back. Cut them off and move on. Your hair will also just look a lot healthier and your curls will pop a whole lot better. Allow your hair to fully dry before manipulating. Wet hair is going to result in frizz. When your hair is fully dry, you'll get the best set, you'll get the best definition, and it will last so much longer. When it comes to twist outs, make sure that you split your hair evenly in half and never borrow sections from the other side. The same is true when it comes to braid outs. You don't want to borrow hair because when you take it down, that's going to cause frizz. When you run out of hair, just coil the ends, and that's a really safe way to end it off if it's not even. With any takedown, make sure to add oil. Adding oil to your hand and rubbing that joint in is so essential to reducing frizz, and it also is helpful for removing the cast from your gel or your styler. It'll also give you a little extra sealant, girl, to allow that moisture to last just a little bit longer. So it's a win-win-win. Apply a product to every strand of your hair, not just the outside. Break your hair into smaller sections so that way you can get the product on every strand. Just work it into smaller sections. Your hair will thank you. And my last tip is to never allow the length of your hair to limit your creativity. No matter the length of your curls or your coils, your hair is super versatile and you can use shrinkage to your advantage. I recommend that you try new things with your natural hair to embrace your texture with boldness and unleash your potential. So that's it for me, you guys. Make sure you head over to Sally Beauty to vote for me, Asia May, to be the next Sally Crew Textured Hair Influencer. Bye.